Okay, guys, today we'll be playing Beach Run Simulator. This is another video of it. Last time I made one, it was to show you how to macro on mobile. So, time to play. Okay. Is this hive actually good? I'm a red hive. I'm going for a red hive. It's a little mixed, but it's pretty good. This is fight on my here, okay. I got also precise speed. Okay, what should I do? 6 mantises? Right, this will be easy because... Oh no. The mantises have to respawn. What does this do? Oh, really? Instant conversion. I just learned how to do it. It was like stickers. So. Don't need to tell me in the last video. Okay. I can't wait for that one to spawn. Okay, I have to pause. Okay, I'm back. Okay, the second one will take longer, so. I think I haven't done the second quest. What? Citrus got 100 million. I got honey planter. The planter are plenty. I definitely can't get that. Couldn't afford that, but I don't have the waxes. Okay. Also, I don't think Microsoft here is useful. Like, you can have magic means so easily. Okay. Check inside the sockets. Like, you can get magic beads from there. Do not buy the last thing I get the honey. I don't want to trade. Of course, E-lol is I thought it was on there. Nah. Not looking right. It looks like there's E-lol there. I'll tell you at killer. This is the worst field. Imagine put a planter in there. Why isn't there a gummy bee sticker? Oh. No. Log out, sorry. No. Wait, Whirling. Wait, Whirling. Yes. Ha! They're talking right here! They're talking right here! So clearly. Yeah! I know you was here! I've been there! What's in this time? Why? Oh my god. Spider only has skin. One ticket, 100 tickets, 500 tickets, space 1B. No, I'm not jumping down there. Already got stuff for there. Of course, he has to use the sticker. How did he get stickers all over himself? It's basically add early. Is this how it's supposed to be? Because this is have red hive. I don't have Porto hive. What's the easiest quest? Luckily, ones I already completed. But rushing nectar again. Please. Let's a Bee Sword Simulator video without some grinding. Why is there a noob here? How did he even get up here? 2x inspiration. It's really matter. I feel like I want to. I'm just gonna walk around. Oh wait, I think it's too late. No, it's not too late. Okay. Nice left. Cross. There should be a gifted thing somewhere around here. Where I'm basically on the edge of the whole entire map. I'm on top of. I'm gonna go officially on top of the mountain, not on top. How did I die here? No, really, it just. Oh, I need to go quick. Like, there's not that spot there. Well, I really liked going. Just do the parkour. And the cactus. That thought was intended because I always need to go to cactus. I always need to beat up efficiency. Seven stingers. Stack boost. And I have my stack on. I can do one of these. Ha ha ha, blue eyes. I can spawn me or pick me your showers. And I won't give it to you. I literally got this edge. Hello, gifted hives. Okay. 5 gingerbread bears? That's how long I've been in this game? 5 hours? Oh yeah, I have. I was AFK. I mean, that's a honey today. In total, I made that much. If I did buy anything, I would have that much honey. Of all the bees I have, and I did not buy anything, have this much honey. What? Elo? I don't think Elo is on this leaderboard. It's Elo. Bear bee. What? Bear bee. I think that's all of the stuff you can get for this piece, miss. Okay. Nobody goes through this. You don't even know how to run a shop. But you get new April here comes to you is literally in your name. I can't afford this. I really can't afford this. What's that? Glue? I need 100 glue? Okay. You can't get X-Flyer for that anyway, so. There's good spots, but it used to be really secret, and nobody used to know it. Now everybody knows. Okay. Oh, I just really started out. I got those here. I got my car. Can't afford it. Let's try. Okay. I'll get off.